Hey, what's going on everyone? Kino is here back with another video. Today's date is August 7th, 2024. In today's video, we'll be going over our weekly analysis for the three pairs that I have on my watch list. I have three setups, which are pretty decent setups in my opinion. I don't have a setup for gold due to the fact that I'm still waiting for that to develop a little bit more. But remember, for those that already been a part of my channel and been a part of my my journey, I am planning to back test and to forward test gold at this point in time with that asset, but I'm very familiar with my forex pairs, right? So for right now, I'm only focusing on the three pairs that I have for this week analysis and the setups that I actually have for those three pairs, and I'm only active in one of those. I think I'm active in Euro CAD, I believe, but we'll go ahead and check the charts and see what that looks like. But I'm not here to hold you guys. We're gonna go ahead and jump over to the charts, and we'll go ahead and go over our weekly analysis for the three pairs that I have on my watch list. So let's go ahead and head over and let's go ahead and break it down. All right, so we're already on the charts for our three pairs for the three setups I actually have on my chart as of right now. We're on the 4 hours, you can see. So we're gonna go ahead and start with Euro USD. So with Euro USD, as you can see, we are pulling back. We had a nice pullback and price just impulsively made its way up to the upside. So we impulse to the upside, broke structure, and then that's what left a liquidity grab here. So we actually had this lower high, price came down. We didn't go lower than that, and price just shot up to the upside, breaking structure, which left behind a liquidity purge. So we cleared at that low, and now I'm looking for price to come back and retrace at the 71 and have some trend continuation bullishly to the upside. And I actually put a note here where it says that this high has cleared previous highs, which it has done that. If you go to the daily chart, and just keep in mind, I do keep the daily chart as one of my higher time frames, due to the fact that it just helps me with my bias for the most part. But it's not like the holy grail for me, but it does help me with my bias of where price could potentially be moving towards too. So yes, I stated here that this high has cleared previous highs before on the daily, so we have definitely cleared liquidity here, and definitely cleared liquidity here at this previous high and at this previous high here. So that also gave me an indication that we could be looking for trend continuation to the upside. So I'm looking for price to retrace, tag me in at my fib levels, and make its way up to the upside. So let's go ahead and move on to Euro CAD. So I thought I had placed the trade here, but no, so it had to be Euro Aussie. But I'm still looking for price to tag me here at the 71 level, but let's go ahead and go over it. So we came down for a small pullback. Price impulsively made its way up to the upside, broke structure, had a liquidity purge, and now we're looking for price to come down, tag me in at the fib level at 71, and looking for trend continuation to the upside. So I am looking for bullish sentiment to still continue. And that's pretty much it. It's very self-explanatory. It's straight to the point. So yeah, that's my idea, and that's what I'm looking for. So we're almost a couple of pips away to actually have price tap into my entry level. So I'm going to be waiting patiently for that to happen. And then we have Euro CAD. With Euro CAD, I'm actively in this trade here. Even though on the daily we have been tremendously bullish, of course, we have broken structure, we have broken previous highs, and we have cleared liquidity as well. So with that being said, I'm looking for price to definitely come back down, to come tag me in at the 71 level, and to push up to the upside, eventually filling in some of that imbalance. And probably, just probably, I might be getting a little bit too ahead of myself, where price could potentially where price can potentially come up, fill in that imbalance that I talked about, maybe come in and fill out that wick, and then possibly start making its way to the downside, right? But I don't know. I feel like I'm getting ahead of myself, but right now I just want to focus at the current price of where price is doing as of right now at this moment. So please disregard that. That's me getting ahead of myself. But as of right now, in the current moment, I am looking for price to continue to push up to the upside, filling in this imbalance and doing what it just naturally does. So not predicting, not being married to my prediction, not trying to hold on to that. So if it works out, it works out. If it doesn't, it just doesn't. So please disregard. I'm not trying to get ahead of myself on that, but that is what I have for my weekly setup and my weekly analysis for this week. And yeah, if you guys actually enjoyed my my content, my weekly analysis content, if you actually enjoy those things, please like, comment, and subscribe. Won't you go ahead and throw a fire emoji down at the bottom? Yeah. And by the way, I just want to do a little bit of a disclaimer, which I need to start opening up with my videos with this. This disclaimer is not financial advice. This isn't me giving a signal. This isn't promise. This isn't something that you should just take and run with it. I highly do suggest for you guys to do your own due diligence, do your own back testing, do your own analysis, and see where it aligns. If it does align, okay, cool. If it don't, then follow that. Don't take my word for it. Please do your own research, do your own due diligence, do your own analysis, and go ahead and check it out. But with that being said, please like, comment, and subscribe, and connect with me. And shout out to my 37 subscribers. I'm absolutely enjoying it. Thank you guys for supporting me on this journey. Continue supporting me, continue showing me love. I really, really do appreciate it. But I say all to say thank you, and you guys have a nice trading week. Peace.